Hello children. Today in English we are going to read our chapter number 8, Chicky Learns to Fly. This story is about a little bird Chicky who does not want to learn to fly. One day her mother tries to make her to learn to fly. What does Chicky do? Let's read and find out. So let's start the story. In first picture, Chicky was a little lazy bird. She did not want to learn how to fly. Now, Chicky was a little lazy bird and he did not want to learn how to fly. Lazy means alsy. Chicky, come with me today. I will show you how to fly. Now, her mother is saying that Chicky, come with me today. I will show you how to fly. Now, her mother teaches her how to fly. You can see in this picture, Chicky flapped her wings like her mother. She tried to fly. Now in this picture, Chicky is trying to fly and Chicky flapped her wings like her mother. Flapped means moving her wings up and down. She tried and tried. Now here Chicky tried to fly. Finally, Chicky could fly like her mother. Now finally Chicky can fly like her mother. After a while she felt tired. She felt hungry too. After a while she felt tired and hungry. उसे थोड़ी देर में भूख लगी और वह थक गई. She landed on the ground and looked around and saw Sammy the worm. Now you can see here the bird Chicky landed on the ground and she looked here and there and Chicky saw Sammy the worm. This is a worm. Sammy was moving slowly to his home. He did not see Chicky. Suddenly, he felt something poking his back. He turned and saw that Chicky was holding him in her beak. Now you can see here the bird Chicky was holding him in her beak. वो bird Chicky Sammy को पीछे से पकड़ लेती है अपनी बीक से, चोंच से. Little one, I am very small. I won't fill your tummy. I will show you a place where you can find a lot of food. Now the Sammy is saying that I am very small. I won't fill your tummy. तुम्हारी tummy मुझे खाने से fill नहीं होगी. I'll show you a place where you can find a lot of food. मैं तुम्हें ऐसी जगह बताऊंगी जहाँ तुम्हें बहुत सारा खाना मिलेगा. Chicky felt bad and put the worm back on the ground. Now Chicky felt very bad. उसे बहुत बुरा लगा. And put the worm back on the ground. और उसे फिर से ground पे रख देती है. Can you see that pond? There are many small fish there. You can eat them and fill your tummy. Now here worm is saying, can you see that pond? There are many small fish there. You can eat them and fill your tummy. आपको यहाँ पे pond में बहुत सारी fishes मिलेंगी. You can eat that fishes and your tummy will be full. Chicky hopped to the pond with Sammy crawling beside her. और Chicky वर्म के पीछे धीरे धीरे क्रॉल करती हुई जाती, धीरे धीरे मूव करती हुई जाती है. I cannot eat the fish. They are in the water. I cannot go into the pond. Now Chicky is saying that I cannot eat the fish. They are in the water. तो Chicky कैसे पानी में जाएगी? Okay, let us go to the maize field. There are a lot of seeds there. You can eat them. Now Chicky is saying, Sammy is saying that we can go to the maize field. There you can find so many seeds. Wow, there are so many seeds here. Thank you, Sammy. Now Chicky is saying, thank you, Sammy. There are so many seeds in the field. Thank you, Chicky, for not eating me. Bye bye. Now, Worm was very happy and she says thank you to the Chicky. So, Chicky was able to find food for herself और चिकी को वहाँ पे बहुत सारा खाना मिल जाता है. Chicky learned to fly too. Chicky's mother was very happy. Now Chicky's learned to fly and Chicky's mother was very happy. Hope you all have enjoyed this story. Now I'll ask you some questions. Was Chicky a big bird? No, Chicky was a small little bird. Did Chicky want to learn to fly? No, she don't want to learn to fly. Okay, now we'll see some word meanings. Lazy, not wanting to do any work. Flapped, to move wings up and down. Finally, after a long time. Landed, came down. Crawling, moving slowly. Moving slowly. Now you will read the spellings also. Little, wings, beak, pond and mother. Now here are some questions. What is Chicky doing in the picture number 4? Now see the picture number 4. Here Chicky is trying to fly. What does Sammy find in picture number 9? Now look at picture number 9. This is picture number 9. Sammy finds that Chicky has him in her beak. Yes, Chicky was holding him in her beak. What does Chicky do in picture number 11? Now see picture number 11. Chicky put the worm back on the ground. What does Chicky thank Sammy in picture number 15? Can you see picture number 15? Chicky thanks Sammy because she saw a lot of seeds here. Okay, now we'll solve some more exercises. True or false? Chicky was not a lazy bird. False. Chicky's mother asked her to find food. False. Chicky flapped her wings and went up in the sky. True. Sammy took Chickies to a guava tree. No. False. Chicky ate the seeds lying in the maize field. Yes, true. Why was Chicky's mother worried? Chicky's mother was worried because Chicky did not want to learn how to fly. Do you think Chicky was kind? Why? Yes, Chicky was kind because she let the worm to go free and did not eat it. Why did Chicky not eat the fish? Chicky did not eat the fish because it was in the water and she could not go into the pond. Why was the mother bird happy? The mother bird was happy because Chicky had learned to fly. Now we will read some blend words. Repeat with me. It's st, stir, star, step, stand, still, stamp, stir, stamp, stop, stones, start, stick, stuck, steep, stair, street, stew, stool, and steep. Now look at the picture and write stir. To complete the words, one has been done. Now here you have to complete the words by putting stir. Stop, stamp, star, stones, steps, stir, stamp, stick, steep, street, stool, story. Now we will see some more exercises. Here you have to fill the words. The star was shining in the sky. The flower grew on the stem. A large new stamp was on the envelope. Dia sat on a stool. The man with the stick ran down the street. Now we will read some more words. This is sm, sn, sp, smoke, small, smile, smog, smell, snail, snap, snip, snake, snack, spin, spoon, spot, spade, spy, smash, smock, smooth, smelt, smear, sneeze, snob, snore, snub, snow, space, spider, sparrow, spit, speak. You all have to read these words again and again at home. Now we will solve this exercise. Look at the picture and circle the letters that make the beginning sound. Now here you have to circle the words that makes beginning sound. This is smile, spider, snail, spade, smoke, snake, sneeze, smell, spoon, sparrow. Now here you have to fill the words sn, sm, spur, slur and stir. Look at the picture and complete the words. It's star, sleep, spoon, snail, slope, sparrow, stir, smoke, smile and snow. Thank you.